guys, good morning. I am here at my sister's house in her bathroom. It's a family affair kind of day. So I'm here watching my nephew while my sister's at work, and my mom is actually gonna come over, and the three of us are gonna go out. I'm secretly dragging them along to prepare for my trip, and then we're gonna go have some fun too. So my next trip is very easy and also a little complicated. It's a quick 32-minute flight, but I'm taking 14 passengers. So I'm going to pre-assemble a hummus and crudité plate, and that's what I'll be serving for the pre-departure snack / meal on board. The weather hasn't been the best. I'm anticipating some turbulence. Obviously, I will confirm that with the pilots when we leave tomorrow, but I just want to have everything ready to go, everything plated before my passengers get there. So for my flight tomorrow, I think we leave at 4 and we land at like 4:36. But for my flight tomorrow, I'll be getting to the airport very early because, like I said, I'm going to individually plate these 14 little appetizers that I am planning on making. Naturally, I am going to Whole Foods today to get everything going. And then for the flight back home, it's a ferry flight. So we're just doing a drop and go tomorrow. We're not laying over or anything. So for the way up, I'm going to give the pilots salads with a protein, like grilled chicken or something. And then for the way home, I'm just going to toss them sandwiches. I won't be making a stop at the airport today. Like I said, I plan on going very early tomorrow. I told you guys my last trip had canceled. So my trip before that was a ferry flight. I got the plane organized. I got the plane clean. So beside loading the new catering that I'm picking up today and like snack baskets and things like that, the plane is pretty much ready for me to go. So I'll just tote all of my groceries that I purchased today with me tomorrow, and I'll be bringing a day bag that I need to prep tonight. I don't always bring day bags with me, but I have had instances where I was just planning to do a quick turn, meaning a flight where I leave base, fly to a destination, and go back to base. But I had a plane break on me in Cancun one time, and I didn't bring anything with me because I was planning on being home that night. So it was a very expensive layover for me to buy bathing suit, cover up, flip-flops, like everything that I needed, all at resort prices. So I am going to prepare a turn bag. I could actually show you guys what I plan on packing in my turn bag once I get home and I'm not with my nephew or my mom or running around grocery shopping. All right, we're back from Whole Foods, and I just want to show you guys what I picked up for my hummus and crudité platter. I got some orange cherry tomatoes, a big bushel of radishes, some carrots, a big bag of snap peas, another big bag of cauliflower. I had these in the fridge and I just took them out, so that's why they look a little fogged over, but a bunch of edible flowers for some garnish, and English cucumbers and roasted red pepper hummus. So this is what will sit out for the passengers when they get onto the plane tomorrow and during their 32-minute flight. And then for the pilots, I picked up salad for one way and sandwiches for the way back. Obviously, I have more than one salad, one sandwich, one tub of hummus, and one of everything else. I just wanted to show you all of what I picked up without taking every single thing out of my refrigerator, or my sister's refrigerator. Hello, I'm back home now. Now the cat needs my attention and not the baby anymore. So I just wanted to show you guys how I pack a bag for a turn where we're not staying or we're not laying over. Again, it's just precautionary in case the plane breaks down, then I have stuff with me. So I've recorded a video what I carry in my travel tote. Excuse me, hold on one sec. Okay, I was saying, I've recorded a video showing you guys what I always carry with me in my big Tumi travel tote that I have right here. Normally this orange bag is not in there. This is my makeup bag that I bring with me. So it's got all of my toiletries, toothbrush, face lotion, all of the makeup that I wear during the day, a razor, anything beauty-wise that I could need in a hotel for a layover. So this is my addition that I'm putting in my standard Tumi that will be coming with me. And I have a proper day bag suitcase, but I think it's in our storage unit. Since we've moved into this house, I don't recall ever seeing it. So I'm just gonna wing it. I'll probably just shove more stuff into this Tumi tote and only carry this with me, but let's go see what I'm gonna pack. Okay, so thrown on top of my closet, I have an additional work top and blazer in case we do get stuck up there and I have to fly the passengers back home without having a change of clothes. So that's the first thing I'll be packing. And then if you're familiar with my vlogs, you know that my layover style is pretty casual. So what I'm actually gonna do is bring this sweater that I have on today, ignore all the dirty clothes in the background, I need to do laundry. But I'm gonna pack this sweater and these jeans once I put my pajamas on. And then I have a little bag to hold extra undergarments. So those are the additional things that I'm gonna be bringing on this day trip with me. Hopefully we don't have any issues with the plane and I can just fly home tomorrow night and sleep in my own room that I need to clean. So I'll chat with you guys again tomorrow. We leave at 6 p.m. We land at our destination at 6:32 p.m. and then we fly back home with an empty plane. And tomorrow's Wednesday, and then we pick our passengers up on Saturday. So I'll also show you guys what I prepare for their meals on Saturday. So I'll talk to you then. Hello, you guys. It is the day of my trip. I'm actually at the supermarket. I realized I bought 4 of those hummus tubs yesterday, and dividing by 3 will only serve 12 passengers. And I feel like they're gonna need a little bit more hummus compared to the vegetable ratio that I purchased. So I'm just here to grab more hummus for my passengers. I'm also getting to the airport insanely early. Traffic in the city is a nightmare when you have to be anywhere at 6 p.m. But I'm gonna give the plane a once over because I haven't been on it since the last time I flew last week, something like that. And then I have a lot of veggies to chop up. So I'll be busy, I'll be early, which is good because I do not like being rushed. So I'm gonna run in, grab this hummus, probably get a cup of coffee also, and I will show you guys what I make once I'm on the airplane. Well, I got here crazy early and my flight pushed back 2 hours later. So now I'm gonna go find something to eat. I'll start prepping my food later. I'll read. The plane's ready. So I've got that going for me. My flight got pushed back again, so I'm very slowly preparing some veggies. My flight was pushed back another 30 minutes. So now I'm gonna have to put my hair back and start plating kind of in the dark. It's pretty dark on this plane, no ground power yet. We're still sitting in the hangar. Hopefully it comes out well. Hey, good morning. It is Friday morning and just a little trip update for you. So our flight ended up being a whole 22 minutes. It went by so fast. By the time I could stand up, I was sitting down again because we were landing. Our passengers wanted to hold on to their crudité the whole time, which was fine. They were certainly welcome to. And I think they liked it. A lot of clean plate clubs going on. And so when we landed, I was saying goodbye to our passengers. I'll pick you up on Saturday. We'll see you on Saturday. And they said, no, we're coming back on Friday. I was like, oh, no problem. We'll see you on Friday. Our scheduling department has you guys down for a Saturday pickup. Let's just confirm Friday, 12:30, same deal, same passengers. So today is Friday. And as you can see, I am not on an airplane or ready to pick up passengers. I'm just sipping my second cup of coffee well into the afternoon. Yesterday, I was getting ready to do a supermarket run so I could prepare another little mini appetizer snack for the passengers on the return flight. And we got notification that the flight is canceled. The passengers are driving home. So now I'm off today. I'm gonna do some chores around the house and I'm gonna film a vlog later. But I just needed to wrap this video up for you guys. So we had no return flight. This ended up being the easiest trip, 22 minutes flight time. Granted, I waited for the flight to happen for like 5 hours. Oh well. So thank you guys very much for watching. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and leave me a thumbs up for this video. If you guys have questions, comments, thoughts, or concerns, post them down below and I'll talk to you guys next time. Thanks again.